Autodesk Autocad 2017 version. How to convert the drawing file. How to convert to the drawing file. Convert to as a PDF file. How to convert it as a PDF file. So first remove these points. Just remove these points. So DDP type. DDP type. DDP type. And select the points. No need these points. So just select the empty box. So then after that, okay, so you can remove the points. Say this is DWG file, drawing file. So just convert to as a PDF file. Save as, export PDF file, DWF file. So other file extensions are here. So now select the PDF. So the file of type, save as type, PDF. So under the folder, so D drive, or E. Let's select this Wi-Fi. Under the Wi-Fi, just select this one. ASS3 EX16 file name dot PDF. So then after that, save. So the DWG file, save as a PDF file. So just minimize this. Click on here. So then select this Wi-Fi, local disk E, my system local disk C, Wi-Fi. So that file ASS3 E16 as a PDF file. So now click the right mouse, then open this. So this one PDF file. So likewise we can convert to the PDF file, drawing files, AutoCAD drawing files. So you can convert like this way. So you practice like this way. Later meet on next unit.